What's up guys? Today we are here in the shop. I just got this box in the mail today. This is from Dinger Built himself. I got an exhaust and an intake in. So he puts that little signature on there, which is kind of cool. But super excited to open it up. Like I said, exhaust and intake. So today's gonna kind of be an unboxing. Then in the videos after this, we'll be installing these parts. But I figured I'd do an unboxing because I've learned a lot from online, and that is to bring the wrong tools to open a box. Okay, so I'm not sure if that was my stupidity going up or the view count going up, but we got it open. Sort of. We got it open. So first things first, we got some stickers here. I'll take those up. Oh, and a keychain. That actually helps because I broke my keychain that I got, so thank you for a replacement. And we got some newspaper. This is from December 16th, 2018. Dinger, get your shit together, man. All right, so there's a lot of newspaper here, so I'm just gonna kind of throw that out of the way. Hopefully there's nothing in there that I'm missing. And here we go. So we'll start off with the exhaust system. This is a custom exhaust system. How the heck do you open this? Okay, so this is a custom, fully custom exhaust. He's never made one like this before, which is cool. He's got his little logo right here on the side, but just an amazing looking exhaust. I got an O2 bung put in it as well, just in case I ever needed it. Can block it off for now. But this one is fully custom, like I said. So it's got a slit in the middle right here in the muffler. And basically you can take these two apart. As you can see, it's spinning. So, like I was saying, this is fully custom. This is the first one he's made like this. So basically you could take the muffler apart. So the reason for doing this is I said I wanted a quieter exhaust, and you know, him having made the ones for Justin, I know that they're on the louder side. So I wanted something a little bit quieter and something different as well. And he said he would try this. So what he did is he basically made it where the muffler, you could take apart the muffler, then you can pack it or repack it again yourself. So I'm actually gonna repack this one because he said the packing material that kind of wears down like that. I got some FMF piping, FMF packing. Basically that stuff is quieter than the steel wool that he normally uses. So he made everything where it is able to be taken apart and you can put it all back together. He put stainless steel zip ties around it. Perfect. So I'm basically just gonna redo this again just to try to make it a little bit more quiet for me and use some of that FMF packing, there we go, that I have. So I'm gonna do that. But yeah, it's just a super simple design. First one he's ever done, fully custom, but he just kind of made me, I guess, a guinea pig, but I was excited to be the guinea pig, I don't know. So this is the exhaust. I got the nice tip right here on the end, so basically it won't hit the ground if I ever drop my bike, which was a big deal to me. So that's gonna look awesome. And then he's also put a nice inside diameter tubing. I don't know. I'm not very good on all these terms and everything, but I'm just super excited to try out this exhaust. And the fact that it's the only one like this is awesome. So yeah, and I got an O2 sensor. If you need an O2 sensor, you could do that as well. It's beautiful exhaust though. So this is a medium length, pretty sure it's medium length intake tubing. So he's got his little logo right here again, and then all the stock stuff that you need. The little hose thing, I guess, goes there. Not 100% familiar with it. I highly recommend this for like stunting or anything. He'll tell you as well, the medium is good for torque and the short tubing is good for top speed or like racing or something like that. But I had this on my Z125 And seriously, that was the biggest difference. I mean, the exhaust made a big difference, but this was the biggest difference. At the current time, I was trying to do second gear wheelies and I wasn't able to do them. I just could not do it. Second gear sit down was just impossible. I put this on and literally overnight, I was able to pop second gear wheelies. So this literally is making me super excited because like, I know I'm gonna be or have so much more power on my Grom. Like I'm super excited about this. So a small part, but seriously, this is gonna make a huge difference. Also, it comes with the K&N filter right here. So let's pop this open, if I can get it open. Here we go. So all his intakes do come with a K&N filter, and then he's got the little coupling here that you need. He threw in another keychain, thanks. K&N sticker, necessary hardware, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for all the stickers. All right guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to show you that I got the medium length intake and the fully custom exhaust. I was super excited about it and I wanted to do some kind of unboxing or something, so I just thought it'd be cool, something different. But anyways, next video is gonna be installing the fully custom exhaust, and then after that is gonna be installing the intake. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing either one of those videos, definitely make sure to subscribe and you'll see those videos when they come out. And then after those videos, I'll be giving my thoughts and impressions on the exhaust and intake together. It's gonna add a lot more power. I'm not able to keep up with the guys right now, so this should definitely give me a good edge to keep back up. So anyways, I'll see you guys next time.